Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can find location of Facebook friend. So for that you need to open up your Facebook account, then click on the search option on the top. After that, type the name of any friend that you want to search the location for, and then click on search. After that, select people on the top list. This way only the people will be showing up with the name Aman. So I will just click on the filters option on the top right hand side corner. This way I will be able to see different filters over here. Then select city, and now type the city that you think your friend might be from. So this way, if the friend appears in that particular city, you will be able to know whether that particular friend is in that city or not. And this is how you find the location of Facebook friend. Otherwise, you can just simply go on their profile and check their location. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.